Hello everybody, we're down here at the workbench, and as you recall a few weeks ago I was building these. And what are these? Well, these are going to be the power trucks that are going to go on to an EP-3, I think it is, from New Haven. But you know, if you look at the way this is set up, it's just, you know, metal on metal, and it's a little bit crude. It probably works, but you know, I was just wondering if I could take it up a notch. And so I went online and I found a place where I might be able to, and I kind of opened this. So we're kind of unboxing a bit. Now, if you could see what these are. Now, this is the bomb. These are miniature ball bearing bearings, and there's a piece inside a piece. I think it's ball bearing, and these are going to go on those axles so that the whole thing's going to spin. Now, I hope I got them all, because I can't even see what's in this damn thing. This package just had one. I hope I didn't throw the thing out, but I'm going to have to look and see if I got everything. Now, this is the other package, so let's see what's in here. Seems like there's a few more things in here. Ooh, that's a wicked lathe. Oh, that is wicked. Holy crow. Look at that. So it came in this kind of wicked package. Oh, I sliced into this. Oh, it's a danger. Oh, well, it's already ruined anyway. Let's not kid around. Get this out of the way. So, okay, one. These are all those packets. These are different size bearings. A Fortunato bearing. Wow. Whole different sizes I bought. I'm gonna have to go online and see if I got what I ordered, because I don't even remember. So long ago. Came like literally like slow boat from China. But okay, so I want to see if I could get these to go on there and make them spin like, you know, a whirlwind. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. You're hopefully enjoying Bobby's hobbies and trying to do some fun stuff. And thank you so much, and bye for now.